I just discovered that there is a little water pool on one of our sun chairs after last night's rainfall. And it's weird that it doesn't go through all the small holes between the woven fabric. So I guess it's the surface tension, and I try to reduce it with some soap, dishwasher fluid. And what happens now? Does it make any difference? Let's check that out. Not, no, maybe, yes, it's coming. Oh, there you can see, that's good. The water just goes through the pores between the fabric because the surface tension between the molecules was reduced. So the molecules can't keep so easily together, and now they pass through in small droplets. And that's the chair, it's emptying now.